So today we will continue our lesson from yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we did multiplication rule, tree diagram ataupun addition rule, and then we also did this one and factorial. So today kita go this one first, NPR, which sebenarnya dah belajar tapi tak apa, kita go through again. NPR is what? So NPR I will show you by example. Okay, so let's say we have the following 8 people who are Yuan Lin's friend. Okay, and then Yuan Lin wants to give gold, silver and bronze medal to her top 3 friends. How many different ways her friends can be chosen to win the medal? So, maksudnya adalah macam gold sekarang ni ada 8 choices. Okay, sebab daripada 8 ni dia nak choose one je. So, bila dah gold dah pilih satu, contohnya maybe waiting, ada gold. So, silver next tinggal 7 choices. So, maybe last wishan dapat silver. There. And then bronze tinggal 6 choices. So, number of ways is just 8 times 7 times 6 ataupun 336. So, now I want to show you macam mana kita boleh dapat this formula. Okay. So, ini I just show you. Sebenarnya you tak perlu hafal pun. All you need to hafal adalah you boleh tekan calculator. Itu je. Okay. So, in factorial notation, 8 times 7 times 6 is going to be 8 times 7 times 6 sama dengan 8 times 7 times 6. Contohnya, I wujudkan this one, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Therefore, I kena wujudkan dekat bawah ni juga. Sebab kalau cancel, akan dapat 8 times 7 times 6, which is yang belakang ni. Okay. Alright. So, contohnya tak ada. Contoh I tak cancel. So, dia akan jadi this one, 8 times 7, 6 sampai 1. Maksudnya adalah 8 factorial. Bawah ni adalah 5 factorial. Sama juga dengan 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial. Sebab 5 datang daripada 8 minus 3. Okay. 3 ni datang daripada mana? 3 ni sebab kita ada 8. Ada 8 orang. Okay. And then kita nak pilih 3. So, formula adalah 8 and then over 8 minus 3 factorial. This one is actually the formula for P. Ataupun kalau you actually no need to tulis pun this formula. You boleh tulis 8P3 straight away. So 8P kita akan use bila kita ada 8 atau kita ada 8 person and then kita nak choose 3 and then those 3 tu kita nak macam seorang ni nombor 1, seorang nombor 2, seorang nombor 3 ataupun seorang ni nak jadi vice president, seorang ni jadi president and so on. Okay, this one you can dalam your calculator ada, which is you akan tekan, nanti you check lah calculator you ada lah benda ni. You tekan shift and then NCR I think, and then you akan dapat P, and then just tekan tu macam tu je. Dalam your exam dah dapat dah. Contohnya ini kan jawapan ni. Kalau you nak jawab dalam exam, you akan tulis number of ways and then you just tulis je 8P3 and then tekan calculator, you dapat 336 dah. Siap. Sebab markah dia memang satu je pun. Okay, next. So in general, apa yang cakap tadi adalah kalau we have n items in total and then kita nak pick R items in a certain order. Maksudnya seorang ni kena dapat ni, seorang ni kena dapat ni, seorang ni kena dapat ni. Therefore, kita akan choose P. Contoh lain, there are 8 parking bays in a row. Okay. And then, how many ways can 3 different cars be parked? Okay. So this one also the answer would be ada 8. Kita nak pilih 3. And then daripada 3 tu, dia maksudnya different. Ada blue car, ada red car, ada yellow car. So could be the blue in the first parking, red in the second parking, green in the third parking, ataupun could be yellow in the first parking and so on. So maksudnya different. So 8P3 which is 336. Contohnya ini macam visual dia. Another example, kita tengok another example. Suppose an organisation elects its officers from a board of trustees, and these trustees got 30 members, and they want to select a president, a vice president, a secretary, and treasurer. So by now you already know the answer is we are going to put 30P4, and there are 6, 5, 7, 7, 2, 0 ways. Okay, daripada 30 kita nak choose 4 yang macam seorang ni jadi ni, seorang ni, so semua orang lain. Okay, so apa beza dia dengan, so kita dah siap ini. Ni semua dah siap. Let's look at this one. Tadi kan kita buat P. Now let's look at apa beza dia dengan C. Okay, so kalau C, ni in general numbers of ways to choose R items from N is given by. Contohnya kita tengok pada this one tadi, pasal friend tadi, okay. Contohnya ada 8 people who are Sui's friend and Sui wants to give tin can to her top 3 friends. How many different ways can her friends be chosen to win the tin can? So you see here, sekarang ni adalah Sui ni dia tak nak choose pun siapa dapat gold, siapa dapat silver, siapa dapat bronze. Dia nak choose just top 3 and then dia bagi je 3 orang ni semua dapat benda yang sama, which is tin can. Okay, so maksudnya adalah you punya arrangement tu tak matter pun. You not just nak choose je. So could be kalau you choose, contohnya choose budak A and then budak B, budak C, sama juga macam you choose budak B, budak A, budak C. Sebab dia tak kisah. Semua orang akan dapat benda yang sama daripada 3 yang dipilih tu. Ataupun dia nak choose C dulu ke A dulu ke, tak kisah. Okay, so when we have situation like this, so we have ways to it. So this one is just how we get the formula. So when you have situation like this, you akan ambil C, 8C3. Bila ada 8 benda and then you want just to choose 3. Doesn't matter pun who comes first from the 3. So another example is macam tadi. Suppose an organisation elects its officers from 30 members. This one they just want to elect 4 members for the finance community. Means tak kisah pun tak ada siapa vice president ke whatever, they just want 4 members. So in this case, you know, you will choose 30C4. Sebab daripada 30 nak ambil 4. So 4. 27405 ways. Also boleh tekan calculator. Markah pun satu je. Another example, how many ways are there if a teacher has to select 2 students from the group of 4 to represent the class? So ada 4 student, dia nak choose 2. Maksudnya P, 4, C, 2. 6 ways. Okay. Another example. 3 identical dice are rolled. Find the number of outcome in which all 3 dice show different numbers. So ada 3 dice and then they roll at the same time. Sekarang ni semua tu nak different. So means this one ada, kalau dice ada berapa? Ada 6. And then kita nak choose 3 je yang different. So tak kisah pun dice nombor 1 tunjuk 1 ke, dice nombor 2 kan tunjuk 1, janji dia different. And ada berapa? Ada 20 ways. Okay, so we go to the last one. This one, n factorial blah 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 ni apa dia? This one, okay, is I show you by example. This one, in how many ways can the word statistics be arranged? So usually when we have, hari tu kita ada buat, kalau contohnya kita ada berapa place and then kita nak rearrange macam mana. So usually kita akan put ada berapa banyak kan. So sekarang ni ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ada 10. Should we start macam ni? 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 ataupun 10 factorial. Adakah macam tu cara dia? Bukan. Sebab apa? Sebab S ni ada 3S. So macam bila you nak buat yang 10 factorial tu, semua tu kena lain. Macam ada warna biru, warna merah, semua kena lain. Bila ada sama macam ni, you tak boleh buat 10 factorial ni. And then you see here, T pun ada 3. And then I pun ada 2. So we cannot use because we don't have 10 letters to choose from. Okay, and then so kalau kita tengok ni, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is it 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times? Also not. Sebab nanti dia tak habis. Still ada dah 1 and then nak buat apa? So bukan. So cara nak buat, how many ways can the word statistics be arranged is that, so kita ada 10 places and then we have 3S, 3Ts, 2 Is, 1A and 1C. From these 10 places, kita akan choose 3 place untuk put S. Ataupun 4S, daripada 10 places, kita nak choose 3 untuk put S. And then tadi, our S ni semua the same. So that's why our sini adalah C, bukannya P. Okay, and then bila you dah choose 3 place untuk letak S, so 10 tolak 3 tinggal 7. Therefore, and then 40 tinggal 7 place je untuk letak. Okay, and then bila 7 tolak 3 tinggal 4. Therefore, untuk I, daripada I ni ada 2. So, daripada 4 place tu kita nak letak 2 untuk I. And then sekarang tinggal 2 untuk A. So, to choose 1. Last kali for C, 1C1. This gives us this one like this. Ni tak apa, tak perlu kisah. I just want to show you how we get the formula. And then last kali you see. Okay, last kali kita got formula like this. Kalau kita simplify, we get like this. 10 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. Ni semua apa? Adalah ada 10 place letak atas. And then you kira berapa yang sama. Ada S, ada 3 kan? So 3 factorial. T ada 3, 3 factorial. I ada 2, 2 factorial. A ada 1, 1 factorial. 1 factorial. Okay? So maksudnya berapa place. And then tengok yang sama. Factorial kan diorang bahagi. So ada 50400 ways. Another example. So okay. Another example. The word rearrange. So ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 slots. Okay. And then R ada 1, 2, 3. There's 3R. And then E ada 1, 2, 2E. A, 2A, 1N and 1G. Therefore ke atas adalah 9 factorial over dengan 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. So 15120 ways. Okay, so we look at this number. The digits of the number 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 can be arranged to give, 7-digit numbers. Find how many 7-digit numbers can be made if there are no restriction on the order of the digit. Okay, so ni sama juga. Sekarang ni dia suruh rearrange. So kita ada 7. Maksudnya kita nak buat apa? Atas tu patutnya 7 factorial divided by what? Tengok mana yang sama. 4 ada 2 kan? So 2 factorial and then yang lain ni semua 5, 6, so semua 1. So 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, semua sekali. So this one you will get 2520 ways. Okay, so this is just the summary. Kalau are you making a sequence of choices? Kalau yes, ada choices independent, you akan use the factorial notation. Other choices, kalau they're not independent, we try to make a tree diagram. Are you making a sequence of choices and then does order matter? Kalau it does not matter, macam tadi, dia tak kisah, ni, so kita akan make C. Kalau dia matter, are you selecting some, you akan choose P. Kalau you are electing all, kalau all adalah n factorial. Kalau the objects are not distinct, macam the word arrange, kita akan use this one. Ni just dia punya summary. Okay, so let's look at another example. This example dia gabung, dia bukan satu-satu. Usually your soalan adalah digabung-gabung, bukan dia satu je. Okay, so there are 8 parking bays in a row. Suppose 3 cars are entering to park. And how many ways can the 3 cars be parked side by side? Okay, answer. This one is the parking. Okay, dia nak side by side. Kalau side by side, maksudnya sama ada dia park here, or park here, side by side, or park here, or park here, or park here, or park here. Okay, ada berapa tadi tu? Ada 6. Ada 6 place yang macam dia side by side. Sebab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tadi. And therefore daripada 6 tu kita nak choose 1 je. Sebab yang nak masuknya 3 je. So daripada 6 place tadi kita nak choose 1. And then the 3 cars could be, maybe dia adalah yellow, green and blue. So could be yellow, green, blue. Ataupun could be green, yellow, blue. Ataupun boleh jadi blue, green, yellow. Ataupun whatever lah. So maksudnya ada banyak-banyak variety. Which is macam mana? So variety adalah ada 3 place and then ada 3 choices. So adalah 3 factorial. So the answer is 6 choose 1 times 3 factorial. Which is 36. Okay. So this one is exercise. So you just see. Nanti you pause lah video ni. You see betul tak? You try answer this question. Betul tak you dapat jawapan dia macam ni? Okay. So that is all. We are done.